Justice Real Estate and Swine Broad Denton Auctioneers are truly honored to offer historic Walmac Farm at absolute auction on November the 8th at 10 a.m. at the farm. This is a rare opportunity to acquire one of the most storied horse farms in all of Kentucky, offering the ultimate in location and history. The centerpiece of Walmac's 248 acres is its internationally renowned stallion complex, which has stood some of the world's leading sires, including Nureyev, Miswaukee, and Alleged, to name just a few. This complex has the capacity to board and breed approximately 20 stallions, and can be utilized today as a world-class yearling complex. The gracious and updated Victorian-style main residence consists of approximately 5,900 square feet of wonderful living area and is situated in one of the most idyllic settings imaginable. Its separate gated entrance offers the ultimate in privacy amidst trees and mature landscaping. This 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath home was constructed in the 1800s and features tall ceilings, hardwood floors, and an elevator that services the first 2 floors. Its numerous doors allows one to truly enjoy the magnificent grounds. Adjacent to the main residence is a 3-car detached garage and a second-level 2-bedroom apartment. Located between the main residence and the aforementioned stallion complex, you'll discover the Nureyev complex, which contains his stall, breeding and exercise areas, lab, and sleeping quarters. Its grounds house the famous horse cemetery. The farm office on Walmac is certainly well suited for a horse farm of this statute, consisting of almost 4,500 square feet of office area, which includes an impressive owner's office with wet bar and bath. This office also contains a walkout basement. Located adjacent to the farm office is his Kentucky Classic 19-stall foaling barn. The 25-stall concrete block yearling barn is well located in the south end of this farm and has an attached open area at one end for vehicle or hay storage. Near the yearling barn, you'll discover the 11-stall converted tobacco barn. Additional improvements include a 2-story manager's home, a quaint guest house, and 5 employee houses. With immediate neighbors like Spendthrift and Gainesway and the training center, this is indeed a unique opportunity to acquire one of the most prestigious horse farms in all of Kentucky.